Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ICNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a very routine basis, so that's where these red lines and green lines are coming from. But certainly got to get things updated here. Couldn't really ask for a better finish to the week, and I guess now that I think about it, end to the year. So happy New Year's, everybody. But let's get some things updated here. The first thing to note is, yeah, pullbacks happen, and as long as healthy consolidations occur, then pullbacks are perfectly fine. And here was a pullback. So here's a great example. Went sideways, and then the price headed back up. And I don't say I laugh at people in a malicious way, but you can always just kind of tell who is pretty new to the market because, you know, prices pull back and some people just start to freak out. And then you look at the chart, and as I tried to explain in yesterday's video, yeah, it's just a pullback. Pullback's part of the game, and you can see this has proven to be a healthy pullback because not only did it put in a higher low, but today you can see the price, you know, reacted very nicely with it. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of this green line down here, do some house cleaning. I don't want a million lines everywhere that can cause clutter and confusion. First update, though, is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So for those of you that have been watching videos, hopefully you remember me talking about 0095 as a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, you'd like to see this act as a support. And same with up here at 0.011 was a level of resistance, but now that the price is above it, this would be the ideal area of support, meaning, Clay, what would make this chart look extremely, extremely powerful going forward? If the price can hold up above 0.011, that would be a great sign of strength. Now, if the price falls below it, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but, you know, like I said, if you ask me what would make the chart look the absolute best, most powerful, yeah, definitely staying up above 0.011, but by no means is that some sort of requirement or anything like that. And of course, as I keep reiterating, from the big picture of things, as long as the price is up above that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average, bulls are in full control. Now, what about potential battlegrounds? Let's figure out where some of these next potential areas of resistance are. So for this, actually going to change to the daily time frame because we're going to have to go back way far in the chart's history. I don't know, maybe I'll just have to call it a blue sky breakout at this point because we're going way back. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, even according to, yes, I'm talking to myself. I do these spur of the moment. So, yeah. So next, level up there at, 0.015. But as far as the chart's concerned, I mean, that you might as well just call that a blue sky breakout in and of itself. No, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that on Tuesday, within 2 seconds, the price is going to be up to 0.015. That would be technically the next level of resistance. So whether you want to call that a resistance or call this a blue sky breakout, hey, whatever floats your boat. Point being, as I've been saying, as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows like it's been doing, then the uptrend remains in place and the chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year.